So this is my countertop in my kitchen. It fits perfectly. The hose isn't too bad. I'm doing a little pre-wash, so excuse the dirty dishes, but otherwise it was easy to set up. I did have difficulty with this hose nozzle for a second. I didn't realize I needed to take my hose off, my little water thing off, and then just use theirs. So if you figure that out, that's pretty much the only thing that I had trouble with. Otherwise, everything else works great.
All right, so I just started. I'm actually doing a light cycle right now. Just because I bought some new dishes and I wanted to run them through the dishwasher. But that's the loudest it gets. Please excuse my mess. I'm doing spring cleaning, so I have stuff everywhere. And it's pulling the water now, which you can barely hear. And it's temporarily right here. I measured my cabinet space, so a friend of mine is going to come and shave a little bit off, a half an inch off the bottom of my cabinet, so it will eventually go up here underneath the cabinet. But whenever I run the dishwasher, it normally goes here, and I put it on my 2 bar stools in front of my sink. And then when it's done, I unload it and I move it right back. I have no issues lifting it. But again, this is just temporary. I couldn't be happier with this dishwasher. It is absolutely amazing. It saved me so much time and so many arguments with my son. It's perfect. It's only the 2 of us, me and my 16-year-old son. And I run it usually once every 2 or 3 days. And that's how as loud as it gets. Highly recommend this dishwasher. It is a lifesaver. I'm so happy I bought it. It's the best.
This is what it sounds like. I got it to work with minimum liquid. I had to take these things out. That's what I had to take out. There was too many of them in there. And then it's running. I don't know.